Santa Fe now joining in, all set now and ready for dispatch. H-Blind, open, Rising, Stone Rose, John Squeak, out of the gate, Classy June, White Brown in second, Santa Fe, Rolling Miller, then followed by Quick Hunter, while Humble Pie is running in a tail of the field. Out of straight, they travel, Stone Rose, Liz Barlang, followed by Classy June. It's Stone Rose, Liz Barlang, followed by Classy June in second, Fablang away, Rolling Miller, then followed by Quick Hunter. Santa Fe is running in fifth position in Humble Pie, past the half mile. Sunrise, Classy June, now for the outside. Then following by Rolling Miller. It is still Stone Rose, leads by Triple Line, followed by Classy June. Following away is Rolling Miller. And here comes Santa Fe. Quick Hunter and Humble Pie inside the line, 600. It's still Stone Rose, Classy June, now for the outside. Classy June for the outside, Liz Barlang, followed by Stone Rose. Santa Fe coming close now into the they swing for home. Classy June now in front, Baja flying, fighting back Stone Rose. Stone Rose, Classy June, Stone Rose, Santa Fe, on the outside, and finally Santa Fe, close finish for second, Classy June, Stone Rose, and Rolling Miller.
What a beautiful fight para dito sa ating race number 5 between our horses, kung saan ang ating unofficial winner, ang magandang remate nitong number 6 Santa Fe. Nagkaroon kasi ng lutsahan between 3 and 4 horses natin kanina, at para naman nandito sa inyong quartet, papasok